tell me your convictions. What made you think of opening in UAE and not just thinking about scaling here locally?
Because over there it's ano yun? Sorry. It's not represented well, it's unrepresented, or how do you say that?
Misrepresented.
Misrepresented.
Okay.
I'll pick up from misrepresented. Sasabihin nila si Chef hindi naman marunong mag-English. Misrepresented. Pick up. I guess in what Camille and I realized in the Middle East, Filipino food is misrepresented in a way that it's a mom and pop thing, and hindi pa siya nag-mature into a, like what, diba, you want it to be consistent, you want it to be, ayaw mo nang pwede na. So, and the market's ready for it.
Yeah.
And it's about time.
It's about time.
Yeah.